back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary and I'm very excited today's video because we're going to unboxing my first ever Young Living Premium Starter Kit. Hey guys, I am now an oil Valor ma'am and I'm very excited for this, playing with the blends. I got this package from a US Young Living office. I ordered this like first week of October and it came like almost 3 weeks, which is really good. I've been busy for the past few weeks, so I don't have any time to open this box, but finally I got the time today and I'm going to open this with you guys. Before buying this, I had second thoughts because it's quite pricey for me. It's $165 just for the starter kit itself plus the shipping fee, so it's $181 for total cost. Let's go and open this box. Yes, I'm so excited with this. By the way, my friend Mercy, she's the one who introduced me to this Young Living. And hi Mercy. Look, finally. Yes. Look, it's loads inside. Let me show you what's all in this box. We got here, we got some guides. I think this magazine, yeah, it's a magazine. And also you have the product guide here. And also I got my diffuser, so I chose this desert mist. We're gonna open this later. My invoice. And last thing is my oils. I guess these are oils. Yeah. So pretty. Look at that. And that's it. The box is really good. The packaging. It's so beautiful. Look, it's quite hard. You know when you bought Apple products, it's same packaging. It's really good. Wow. Yeah, so we're gonna open this. And what is this? All the informations. What's inside in here? It's written here. Look at that. Seal and seal. The quality commitment. So I'm going to open this now. So exciting. Yay, look at that. It's when you open this, quite magnety type. Nice. Posh. So look at that, beautiful. So beautiful. I like it. I love it. Love it. So smells so nice. Smells so good. Ooh. So look at this. There's another. This is how it looks like. And you got this also. What is this one? So this one is the product guide. This is really nice, amazing. So we're going to pull this up. So these are my 10 essential oils. Yeah, I'm going to tell you what essential oils here. And so don't throw this until you're not checking everything. So you open this, flip it up, and you will find all the freebies. So this is my freebies. Yay! And look, I have 2 more essential oils as a freebie. Wow, they're very generous. They are. Okay. So I have 2 pieces of NingXia. I thought NingXia, yeah, NingXia. Yes, I think I heard that this is antioxidants and it tastes really good too. So I can't wait to try this. And also I do have Thieves. They are hand sanitizer. It's really good during this pandemic. You can use this to keep your hands clean. Yes. Also, I have Thieves again. Is the household cleaner spray. So it's good. I could try this. I heard loads of positive, reviews about this, and it's all amazing. Nice! I can't wait to try this. They also gave me some rollers, 2 rollers, and I have the two essential oil free. So I got stress away and peace and calming. See, I got my 10 essential oils. So up here I have my vitality line and the regular. Down here I get the regular essential oils. So the vitality line is a very popular dietary essential oils, and this is the aromatic or topical essential oils. So the difference, this vitality, you can take it internally. You can mix it also on your food when you're cooking, or you can mix it on your drinks like water. You can use this citrus fresh or the lemon essential oils on your normal water, and yeah, so these ones you can apply it on your skin or on your forehead, on your neck, and it's very popular for diffusing as well. So you get the peppermint here. This got really a cool flavor, and also it's really good for digestion support. So lemon is really good, to mix on your water. And if you have any problem on your throat, this is really good to soothe and to give you relief. Thieves is very popular food supplement, and citrus fresh is antioxidants, and Di-Gize is very good on your digestive system. So these are the aromatic topical essential oils, the regular ones. So we have Raven here, one of the popular one. It's really good for your respiratory system, and it's really good to apply on your throat or on your chest. Yeah. So Valor is really great for massage and really good for emotional support. Panaway, this is very popular one. It's really good for muscle support. It's really good to apply after workout, exercise, after you use your muscles and things. It's really good. So Lavender one is really good. You can use it to diffuser and also on your skin. It smells so great too. So lastly, I got my Frankincense. This is very popular into skin support, and also apply it on your beauty routine. So I can't wait to use them all. I might gonna try this lemon today. So yes, can't wait. I'm so excited finally. Also, as a new member, Young Living, they also gives you gift for new members. So I got one for me, and let's see what's inside. I'm excited. Maybe more oils. So yeah, I get some notes. Hello, welcome to our team, and what are essentials oils, so how do you use them. So it's here, starter kit guide, also here. So peace and calming essential oils is good for emotional support, relaxing, sleep support. Yes, so it's all in here. Very nice. And diffuser blend. So you know, you can also blend whatever you like. So it's all up to you. And then I get some this bottle, and I have virgin coconut oil, and also I like this one. It's a small bottle, so and rollers. Wow. So here, if you so this is like sample bottles. They're so cute. So if you want to share your essential oils to friends, you can just put some in here bits and just, you know, share it with your friends if you want to. So really nice, and also including some rollers. So good. Thank you, Marcy. So I got a visitor here. She's very cranky. She wanna join me. So we're going to open this box, my diffuser. Let's see. So I have the manual here, the guide how to use my diffuser, Thieves diffuser. So I'm gonna read the manual later to, you know, to find out how to use this, but basically I think you put the water here and just cover this like that. Very nice, so pretty. And then also comes with the charger, of course. Just to make it clear, guys, so I have total 12 essential oils. So here, and another 2 from my previous hidden compartment. So yeah, I got leaves and I can't wait to use them. My god. And these things too. Yeah, anything. I want to try everything. So yes. Yeah, so I'm very happy with my premium starter kit, and I can't wait to use all my essential oils. And yes, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And yes, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you to my next video. Bye. Tell monkey, say bye. Thank you. I'm going to drink my NingXia.